Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here and welcome to today's video. Today's video is entitled Fuck Linux. Now I've done quite a few of these videos over the past month or two, and the whole aim of them really is to try and encourage existing home Windows users that they do have an alternative to either Windows 11 24H2 or Windows 12 as and when it comes out. What you're looking at here is CachyOS Linux running on a 15-year-old PC with very frugal specifications, right? So it's an old Intel Core i5 2400 quad-core CPU. It's 8 GB of DDR3 Ram, and it's an nVidia GTX 1050 Ti. The only reason I've got the nVidia 1050 Ti is for gaming, for no other reason. It does have inbuilt Intel graphics, which would be absolutely fine for everyday use, but for gaming we need something with a little more oomph in it. Now this PC, according to Microsoft, should be taken to e-waste and dumped. I think a lot of people's PCs on the planet will be of this sort of ilk. So there you go. An Intel Core i5 2400 CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, and a GTX 1050 Ti. Let me assure you that this PC runs like a modern day PC, number one. Number two, there's nothing wrong with it. And number three, it's running this operating system and providing me, the home user, with absolutely everything I want without all the downsides of a Windows operating system. Now, those of you that have a specific reason why you can't migrate over to Linux, i.e. you play a game that has anti-cheat software which requires kernel level access, just think about that for a second. How much longer do you think Windows is going to grant third-party software companies kernel level access? Certainly none of the brand new crop of games that I can think of have got kernel level access anti-cheat systems. Just saying. So is that something that's living on borrowed time? Possibly. If you are a specialist using Adobe products, then you're not your average home user, are you? So please don't post that one. And also, there are those that say, oh, well, you know, I use Microsoft Office 365. Let's just take a look at that for a second. Microsoft Office 365. Let's just have a look at that. Office is now Microsoft Office 365. Get Microsoft Office 365. Sod off. Right, for home, save 16% when you pay yearly for Microsoft Office 365. So you can pay £80 British a year for Microsoft Office 365 family. You can pay £60 a year for 365 personal, right? Or you can pay monthly and it will cost you £5.99 a month for personal, £7.99 a month for family. So this is already up running and been a successful business model for some time. How long do you think it's going to be before you go to the Windows 11 page and these are your options? Because believe you me, it's coming. And I love all the Windows fanboys posting underneath our bullshit, this will never happen, but really, I'll see you all back here when it happens. Just a thought. Now, yeah, This PC, okay, so as you can see, absolutely fecking gorgeous. It's running KDE Plasma, it's built and based off of Arch, but it's got the protection of the CachyOS team. It's absolutely fantastic. Then again, so is Linux Mint, so is Ubuntu, especially MX Linux. They're all fantastic operating systems. The beauty of Linux is you can choose what suits you. This is the beauty and the power of Linux. You have such a large choice that you're spoiled. With Windows, what you see is what you get, and that's your lot. Whereas with Linux, well, you can make it be your experience and work the way you want it to work. Simple as that. Nobody's forcing you to do anything. Nobody's going to force telemetry on you. Nobody's going to force keylogging on you. Nobody's going to force screenshotting on you. Nobody's going to force sending huge chunks of data back to Redmond on you. And all the other things that are associated with the Windows operating system. With Linux, you're nowhere near as vulnerable to Windows viruses, spyware, and malware. You're not 100% safe. The internet is a dangerous place, but you're a hell of a lot safer on Linux than what you are on Windows. And best of all, for the home user, Linux is 100% free. So, as you can see on this PC, I can do absolutely anything from safe, super secure, fast internet banking, online internet shopping. If I want to stream Netflix, I can log into Netflix. Bear in mind, this is all on a 15-year-old PC. And look at the speed with which it's running while I'm making a 60 frames per second video. You can do your gaming, you can run Steam, you can run Lutris, you can run Epic, you can run whatever you like. You can do coding, all the popular coding apps are available for Linux. If you're a home user that only does internet, a bit of email, a bit of online banking, a bit of internet shopping, a bit of social media, a bit of Facebook, etc., then you're spoiled. The only two major choices and decisions you've got to make are A, which Linux do I go for? And then B, which web browser do I choose? Because again, you are spoilt for choice on Linux. On Windows, you have Windows and all the crap that comes with it. By the way, home users, Windows is never has been and never will be your operating system. You're granted a license to run that operating system on your PC. It's not yours, never has been, never will be. Linux is 100% yours. From the moment you install it, it's your OS. It's all yours. Doesn't belong to anybody else, belongs to you. Therefore, you can do what the hell you like with it. Can't wait to see the Windows fanboys' response to that little gem. Last but not least, the reason I'm doing these videos and banging on and trying to focus in on the home user, I'm not really interested in, I still don't know what this means, the Windows power users. You know, the big Linux fanboys. I'm not interested in those target audiences. I'm interested in the home Windows user who doesn't even know Linux exists. And what I'm saying to that person is, look, you have this level of possibility that could run on your PC system. You could have something that looks this gorgeous, runs this smooth, and is absolutely 100% free. All you've got to do is install it yourself. If that's daunting, well, there's a million videos on YouTube of how to do it. Today, it's very, very simple. It's a few mouse clicks and it's installed. So in reality, the only thing that's stopping you from having an operating system on your 15-year-old computer, this gorgeous, that makes Windows look like the absolute sewer pipe that it is you. And I can't wait to see all the Windows fanboys, oh, you can't run Adobe. Well, neither does a home fucking user run Adobe, just saying. Oh, yeah, you can't use Office 365. Neither does a home fucking user, just saying. So please don't post underneath this video all the standard bullshit comments. There, in 2024, there's absolutely zero reason why the home user can't have and doesn't deserve this quality and this class of operating system on any age of PC, irrespective of what Windows might tell you. Okay? Any of you that disagree, please post your comments underneath. Please don't waste your time posting bullshit. Oh, Linux Mint's better. Vanilla Arch is better. Oh, Gen 2. Nobody's fucking interested in that. What I'm trying to get at is the ordinary Windows home user before it's too late and you're forced to either buy a brand new PC or pay Microsoft an awful lot of money to stay on Windows 10. You have options and you're looking at one of them right here. And do you know what? It's fucking amazing. It's gorgeous, it's super fast, it's super slick, it's super responsive, and it does absolutely everything that I want as a user 100% free of charge. And it belongs to me. It's 100% mine to do with it what the hell I like. I'd love one Windows fanboy to try and post a response to that comment that gets anywhere near it, because that's going to be interesting. So the underlying theme of this video is, if you're a home Windows user, get the fuck off Windows now. Don't wait. Choose a Linux, install it. There's plenty of support forums, plenty of help on YouTube. You're awash with help. There's no reason why you have to suffer what Microsoft are going to impose on you. Unless, of course, it's your choice to suffer it. In that case, well, it fucking sucks to be you. Just saying. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thumb the videos up if you love them, down if you hate them. I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez video.